Video, I'm going to show you how to transfer your money from World token to fiat. So what you're going to do is we go to the wallet here, then we just put send. Okay, then we choose World coin. So currently they actually upgrade to use World chain. So it doesn't mean that all exchange will receive. Example, let me put it up. If you see like you know this is my Bybit, you put deposit, crypto, then you look for World token. So there's ERC or Optimus mainnet. So now cannot. What we can do, we go to mint. Then after that we go deposit. Then we find World token. Then you can see there's World chain over here. So we just click on it, copy address and move it over here. And you just put whatever amount that you have. Let's say for example 49. Okay. Or they cannot. They need to put like 48. Okay. Just click confirm. What I do is I just paste the address over here. So confirm World chain token, confirm and send. It's very important to make sure that you send at the right chain. If you send to the wrong chain, unable to get the money. So next step is to receive the money on our Binance or any exchange that has World chain. Then just move to your fiat. Once you receive, right, what you can do is you can just click on it and you can just sell it away. So you just put sell, market all the way, shoom, then just sell it away. So this is how you get your USDT, and we just check our transactions. So this is what you are selling on any exchange. In this case is Binance. Of course, we still prefer Bybit. Transfer our payment into crypto.com. So crypto.com is a very convenient platform for us to actually receive payment and actually cash out to our bank, because you can just one button are able to do it. So now we're going to do over here, because we need to receive the funds from Binance example. It will be the same concept. You just need to know what are the correct. So you choose USDT is Tether, it's a $1 to $1 kind. So you choose Arbitrum 1. Okay, then we copy the address. So it's USD, network, address, these three things. I go back to Binance. Over here, all I'm going to do is I'll just go to my USDT that over here I just click withdraw. So I send via crypto network. It's all the same, no matter how you do or transactions. So I just add new address. Over here I just put USDT and I paste the address. And why is the network? It's Arbitrum. That's the reason why I choose Arbitrum, because it's only 20 cents. Okay, Polygon is even cheaper, but I don't see Polygon on the crypto.com site. Let me know if you saw it. So it's okay, we just do it just for experiment. Now I'll just choose the address, original exchange to crypto.com. Is there a crypto.com over here? No. Okay, then we just put crypto.com. Sometimes these exchange very funny, they just don't want to address each other. Okay, so I just press confirm. Now just put CAN RB USDT CRO. CRO means crypto.com. So I just add to whitelist, I just put save. Okay, it's very convenient for this Binance also. Just one click away. So once I click over here, okay, I will just put here. Then I just put all. Then I just transfer. So they only deduct 20 cents. Then I just press confirm. Again, this actually just need my passkey, which is my scanning. So this is how you withdraw your funds into crypto.com. We just need to wait a while. We will see how crypto.com receive the payment. How am I going to cash out my funds? Pretty fast. What we now receive it, how we know? We just see they need to provide additional information. So this is a good movement that we see. Crypto.com been doing that for quite a while, because the regulator wanted to safeguard that, make sure there is no money laundering. In fact, whoever that use crypto, use blockchain to do money laundering is a very idiot, because everything is traceable and is transparent. So it's very safe because they will verify who and where the money from. So I just go submit here. Just now we transfer 230, right? So I just put I'm the owner of this wallet. Then after that I just go Binance, I put done, then just put submit. So once I submit already, right, then it will actually add into my account. So what I'm going to do now, right, I just go to my account. Okay, there's a fiat wallet. We just go fiat wallet. What I'm going to do now is to sell crypto. Okay, I'm going to sell over here. Is I go Tether. Tether. Wrong pronunciation. Okay, so 230, so I just put 230, maybe 229. Yeah, keep a bit here. So I just put sell. So they will quote you and tell you how much is the amount they will be getting in Sing dollar. I just press confirm. So I sold. And what I can see on my fiat, I just transfer, withdraw Singapore dollar. And I just go to my bank. And I just put the amount over here, which is just now what I changed. I just click withdraw. So withdraw, they actually send to my DBS. So they have a fee $1.99. Last time it's free. Now they are actually charging. So it's okay because reasonable, they need to pay their staff and system maintain, right? So it's okay. I just press confirm. So once I click, then I need to put a 2FA. So once I hit, then actually just go to my bank account. Pretty fast, you see, is immediately go to my bank account. And this is how you withdraw your World token through an exchange to crypto.com cash out. So if you want, you can just join me and you're able to claim your World token every month for free. So you can see there's claim on different amount over here. So yeah, just sign up World token, World coin, scan one time and you're able to get this money every month for free.